Hi, welcome to the next episode of the Konan Journey. Apologies for the long hiatus as I had various commitments. Anyway, this episode will cover about the Kona's 50,000 km engine oil change and my reviews on the previous engine oil and the engine oil after the change. Prior to the 50,000 km engine oil change, the oil used was the Motul X-Clean 5W40. I used this oil for 10,000 km. My experience with the X-Clean 5W40 was average, I would say. The engine ran alright with this oil for about 5,000 km, starts to become sluggish after that and fuel consumption became worse. The engine became noisy after 7,000 km when running. The price is average though, around $58 for 4 liters. In overall, I would say Motul X-Clean 5W40 is decent for its price, just have to expect the performance to drop after 5,000 km. For the 15,000 km servicing, I decided to visit Synergy Motorworks. It is located at Soon Lee Street, Jurong West area. The route is pretty near Pioneer Road North if you come from AYE or PIE. The owner of the shop, Dexter, attended to my car for the servicing. He is very approachable and knowledgeable on car mechanics for various models. I highly recommend this workshop if you need help in troubleshooting any car faults, foreseeing any parts that will fail soon, or need advice to improve fuel economy or reliability of the car. The engine oil I'm changing to is Penrite Enviro GF-5 5W30. The viscosity number is smaller than the Motul engine oil. The Kona can take 5W30 or 5W40. Lower viscosity helps to lubricate and remove heat from the inner engine components faster due to faster flowing rate and hence suitable to use in hot temperatures. However, do not use 5W30 oil blindly after watching this video. Always follow the user manual on recommended engine oil types and viscosities. So, one encounter during servicing, I bought this filter from the authorized stockist and kept it for more than a year. Rust was forming even though I did not open. I didn't realize this until Dexter saw it. Fortunately, he has a spare new engine oil filter and the issue was solved quickly. So, lesson learned. Please store new parts, especially metal ones, in a cool and dry place and ensure that the new engine oil filter is free from rust before replacing the old one. So I've used the Penrite Enviro GF-5 until my next servicing. The engine was running very smooth and quiet all the way. The fuel consumption dropped a little bit after 7,000 km, but still better than the Motul X-Clean. The only disadvantage is the cost. The price is on the expensive side as it's almost $100 for 5 liters according to Shopee. Despite the higher cost, I will rank the Penrite Enviro GF-5 above the Motul X-Clean. However, I must emphasize that this is ranked based on my driving experience on the Kona with this engine oils. Results may vary among cars. With that, that's the end of this episode on the 50,000 km servicing. See you on the next episode. Bye!